General Manager of SISLEY for Honda. I've got a really special vehicle. May not look so special. It's a 2015 Honda CRV LX. This one's a two-wheel drive, not an all-wheel drive, but it's got three things going for it. Number one, it's a one-owner car. Two, it's accident-free. And three, it's a SISLEY original, meaning that it was originally bought by our customer, serviced here at the dealership, and traded back to us for another car. We have a lot of those on the ground. We try to stay away from auctions, and we try to, you know, if we step up to our customers' vehicles and pay the right money for the right vehicle. This vehicle only has 83,000 kilometers, which is really low considering that it's a 5-year-old car. Most 5-year-old cars have 20 to 24,000 kilometers per year, which would mean that this one would be well over the 100,000 kilometer mark if it was driven normal. This one's only got 83,000 kilometers. Best of all, though, it's got two sets of wheels. It's got winter tires, which we're showing you on the car, and it's got all-season radios that are bagged in the back of the car. We're just going to go around the car, and I'm going to open the hood for you, and when I do, Sarah's going to show you the tread that's on the winter tires, and I think you'll agree that they're quite high. I'm looking around the car. I see a few marks on it, and I'm going to show you where I see them, and they're all in the back around the tail of the car, and we're going to get those clean. I see a little tiny mark on the front bumper, just tiny, but it's there, right? If you were going to walk around the car, you would want to see it. Under the hood, it's got the typical CRV 2.4 liter engine. I'm always looking in the side here, in the inner skirt, to see if there's any damage. I don't see any in this car at all. And the other thing you got to look for are the stickers that are on the hood. If this hood has ever been replaced, that one particularly won't be there, that air conditioning sticker, because you just can't buy it. So everything looks original. See a couple little marks here that we'll touch up on the hood. Going down the side of the car, it's looks to be all original. Little mark on the back door. We're gonna have that done. This car on the inside is about as clean as you can get. One advantage that two-wheel drive cars have over all-wheel drive, and this is why this model sells well, is that it's economical. You're not driving all-wheel drive all year. And these vehicles, when you equip them with snow tires, they are front-wheel drive, and when you put snow tires on them, they actually drive pretty well around the GTA. Our winters aren't too bad. If you were up north, like say Minden or somewhere, you might want to have all-wheel drive. But a lot of people in the city like the economical aspect that comes with the front-wheel drive, and they just put snow tires which are included in this car. We'll just continue into the back. You'll notice the door opens almost 90 degrees to the car, making it easy for the young ones and old ones getting in and out. We'll come around to the back. This vehicle has the originals inside. I don't like the condition of them, so I'm going to replace all four. So when you get the car, it will have the factory wheels on it, or factory all seasons, but they will be replaced. I just don't like the look of them. It's not our up to our standard. We've got a few marks here on the bumper, and we're gonna have those refinished. So you won't see any by the time you get it. Some people like seeing the car, what it looked like when it comes into us, and you're actually seeing it right now, instead of having everything hidden when we fix it. It will be anything that you've seen, any marks, you'll see them repaired. One thing with the COVID-19 crisis is it's changed our way that we're marketing vehicles. We're doing them remotely, which is what the Ford government wants us to do. We're actually successful at it. We're offering a 7-day exchange on our used cars. If we deliver it to your driveway, which we will, and you find the car isn't exactly what you wanted, you have 7 days. You can exchange it with anything that we've got on our property, and we're currently stocking close to 100 used cars. So you've got a pretty good selection to choose from. Thank you for watching the video, and we hope to be doing business soon.